Kay ay masayahing bata, bungis-ngis, saka napakalusog. Ang cute-cute.
Based sa pinagkwento ni Vency, mabait, malikot, tsaka masayahin. This is my day. Oh, it's going my way.
Yeah. Si Kai, sana magmano siya sa sa mami niya ng katalinuhang kabibuhan, and sa father niya siguro yung patience kasi si Kims talaga super haba ng pasensya.
Ang gusto kong mamana ni Kai sa magulang niya is yun, yung parang kay nanay niya, si Vency, mabait, matulungin, ganon, tapos funny. Yan, minsan, masaya ka kasama.
Gotta live it, breathe it, be it, yeah, yeah. Now I clearly...
Chubby! Happy birthday! Sana pag napanood mo to, matuwa ka kasi nandito kami lahat to celebrate yung birthday mo. And then, sana paglaki mo, ma-feel mo lalo yung love na binibigay namin lahat sa'yo. And maging mapagpasalamat sa lahat. And then, magpakabait. And lagi lalo na kailangan magpasalamat lagi kay Lord, magpakumbaba, at maging mabuting bata. Yun lang. We love you, Chubby!
Waking up to the wonder, a wild world awaits. Feel the dream getting closer, and we're running unafraid. Never gonna slow down, it's time. Pick up the pace, roll the dice. Only
Happy birthday, baby Kai!
on our way. This feeling we're chasing, we're never gonna let it go. 'Cause life's for the taking. Come on, let's go.
So baby Kai, happy first birthday. So yung wish ko naman parang wish din ng iba. So I wish you to grow up healthy and wise and God-fearing.
Gonna be such a good day. Yeah, the sky is crystal clear. Not a worry in our way. Yeah, we're smiling ear to ear.
Muli po, maraming salamat po sa pag-alas nyo ng oras. So pagpunta po sa unang kaarawan ni Kai, sana po nag-enjoy at nabusog po ang lahat.